Did you know that in 2024, over 60% of international travelers reported facing some kind of issue while abroad? That's a staggering number. Imagine landing in a new country, excited for your adventure, only to find yourself dealing with unexpected hassles. So, hey there, fellow wanderlusters. Today we're diving into the world of international travel in 2024. It's an exciting time to explore new places, but knowing what to avoid can make all the difference. Let's talk about the must avoid pitfalls that can turn a dream trip into a nightmare. Trust me, these tips can save you a lot of stress and money. Every year, travelers make the same mistakes that lead to frustrating experiences. From forgetting important documents to not understanding local customs, these slip ups can cost you far more than just money. For instance, have you ever heard of someone getting stuck in a foreign airport because they didn't have the right visa? Yeah, it happens more than you think. And it's not just the visa issue, it's the tiny oversights that pile up and create a chaotic travel experience. Let's face it, nobody wants to be that person who misses their flight or gets lost in translation. So let's break down these common challenges and how to steer clear of them. Alright, let's get into the nitty gritty. Here are the 7 things you must avoid when traveling internationally in 2024. Ignoring travel advisories. Always check the travel advisories for your destination. They can provide crucial info about safety, health risks, and even political unrest. Ignoring them can put you in sticky situations. Overpacking. Seriously, less is more. Overpacking can lead to extra baggage fees and a sore back. Plus, it's a hassle when you're navigating crowded airports or public transport. Not researching local customs. Every culture is different, and failing to respect local customs can lead to awkward situations or even offense. For example, in some countries, tipping is considered rude, while in others, it's expected. Neglecting travel insurance. This one's a biggie. Travel insurance can save you from financial disaster if something goes wrong, like trip cancellations or medical emergencies. Relying solely on credit cards. Not all places accept cards, especially smaller businesses. Always carry some local currency to avoid being left in a lurch. Skipping the itinerary planning. While spontaneity is great, having a rough itinerary can help you maximize your time and avoid missing out on must see attractions. Forgetting to inform your bank, letting your bank know about your travel plans can prevent your card from being flagged for suspicious activity, which is super inconvenient when you're trying to pay for something. Let me share a quick story that really drives this home. A friend of mine once traveled to Italy, all excited to enjoy the sights, but they forgot to check the travel advisory and ended up in a region with protests happening. They couldn't go to their hotel and spend the night in a train station. They also neglected travel insurance, which made the whole ordeal 10 times worse. In the end, they missed out on the beautiful experiences they had planned, all because of a few avoidable mistakes. So, to recap, remember these 7 things to avoid when traveling internationally. Check travel advisories, pack light, respect local customs, get travel insurance, carry local currency, plan an itinerary, and inform your bank. Keeping these tips in mind will help ensure your travels are smooth and enjoyable. Now it's your turn. Have you ever made any of these mistakes while traveling? Drop your stories in the comments below. And if you want to hear more travel tips and tricks, don't forget to check out my other videos. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.